the May term, and this is my week 2 video project review. To just get to the questions, what went better than expected? I think that the HTML still went better than expected, but I still had a lot of problems with, well, we'll get to that question, what didn't go as well. I'd say that the JavaScript did not go as well as expected, and neither did the CSS. I spent a lot of time going over the code. As far as I can tell, my JavaScript is correct, but obviously it's not, because it's not putting anything in storage. How does this relate? What we did this week was all about taking that HTML document and stylizing it, and of course getting the data in and out. And how do I think this will relate later on? I think, as I said last week, I'm pretty confident that this is going to be sort of the framework for how we're going to be doing future programming. So here's my assignment for this week. This hasn't changed, the index page, but we have an add item page. Also hasn't changed that much. I've cleaned up the data and added a lot more IDs. My JavaScript. Again, I followed the examples as best that I could, and I'm not sure why it's not working. Here's my CSS. And the finished product right here. Very plain, because I'm just not comfortable with CSS yet. If I add a book, I'm very unhappy with the legend there, but essentially we get our list. If we put data in, I'm not going to promise you anything great, because it doesn't work. So when I finish, you'll notice that nothing happens. I don't get any prompt, and I can't display any data. So maybe I'll figure it out by next week. This is Tyler Nicely for week 2.